Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your math teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting our lesson, I have some instruction for you. Kindly strictly follow them. Listen the lesson attentively. Follow your teacher instruction. Don't raise hand during teaching. Ask question at the end of the teaching in chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Take care of time for attending the class. Home task should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 3 to 5 minutes. Don't turn on your video during teaching. Take a screenshot of all slides. I hope you all have followed these instructions during teaching. So now move to yes, class 1. Subject is math. Let's start our topic. Comparison by one-to-one matching. This topic is given in your book, page number 15 to 19. Uh, at the end of the topic, your student will be able to recognize the sign of the greater than and less than and equal to. This is a sign of greater than. It's just like a crocodile mouth, and this sign is show the less than, and this sign is show the equal to. So where we use greater than, or where when we use less than, or when we use equal to sign, we learn in this class. Now, yes, what do you observe here? We, yes, class. What do you observe here? We see here cars. In the left side, we have red, blue, and green car. In the right side, we also have a red, blue, and green car. So what we are doing here, we can make the comparison of the size of two set of objects more precise by the way of one-to-one matching like this. For one-to-one matching, we draw object to object line between each pair of the set as you show here. So show here a red car is matched with the other red car. Blue car is matched the other blue car, and the green car is matched with the other green car. So it is called the matching one-to-one object. So equal means equal, and this sign show the equal. So equal mean the same. Equal mean the same number of amount. The same number of amount you can count. Here we count three cars, and in the other side we count it is also the three cars. So equal means same, the same amount when we count it, the amount is same when we count it. Drawing object by object line between each pair of car, we find that to each car has the other car, the car are in a same quantity. In the same quantity, or we can say equal quantity. As we see here, the number of car is 3, and the second one is number of car is 3. So now move to the next one. Comparison by one-to-one matching. We see here the group. Now we see here the group of A. There are how many fishes in the group A? Count it. How many fishes? Yes, there are four fishes in group A, and the other group, how many birds? There are four birds. Yes, in group A we have four fishes, and the group B we have four birds. It means after counting them, we find that the number of the bird and the number of fishes are four. So also the number of bird is also four, and number of fishes are also four. So how to write this? We write it 4 equal to 4. This 4 show the number of fishes. This 4. This 4 show the number of fishes. Equal to means the 4 fishes equal to the 4 number of birds. This 4 show the number of birds. So we write in a mathematical form 4 equal to 4. Okay, let's we share more here. The number of fishes equal to the number of birds. As I count here, so or the number four, this number four show the number of fishes, and the number of four, this number show the number of birds. So the number four equal to the number four. So how to write it? The four and how to read it? Four is equal to four. How to read it? 4 is equal to 4, or how to write in a mathematics. So 4 equal to 4. This sign show the equality, same amount of the number. So 4 birds, 4 fishes are equal to 4 birds. So in mathematics, we write 4 equal to 4. When the number are same, we put the sign equal to. Are you getting my point, student? Yes, I hope. Yes, 4. 4 equal to 4 because the number are same. So we put here the equal to sign. Now move to the next one, slide. Yes, again we see here the two groups. In the group A, yes, how many cups we see here in group A? Yes, count it. One, two, three, four, five. There are 5 cups in group A. So we write here number 5, then put the equal to sign because the gift pack is also 5. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the gift of pack is also 5. So we write like this in mathematical way. 5 number of cup equal to 5 number of gift. Yes. Okay, I hope you all have understood. So how to read this? This one, 5 equal to 5 means 5 in group A, 5 number of cups equal to 5 number of gifts. And how to read, how to write 5 equal to, put the sign of equal to and then write the number of, yeah, write the quantity of the other one. So 5 equal to 5. Yes. Comparison of the size, two set of object by one-to-one matching. Here we see that. Now let's we draw the object to object line between each pair of the cup or saucer. Yes, these are the saucers and these are the cups. So we when we match this saucer with the cup, we start from here. So this cup is matched with this saucer. This cup matched with the other saucer. This one matched with this saucer. So after matching each cup with the other next saucer, so after matching, we left one cup as you see here. So we find that the one cups remain without saucer. So the quantity of the cups are more than of the saucer, and we can say that the quantity of the saucer is less than of the cup. So we can read two form of the number of cups is more than, because how many cups are there? Count it. One, two, three, four, five, six. There are 6 cups. And how many saucer? One, two, three, four, five. So cups are more than saucer. Or you can also say that like this. Saucer is less than because one is less. So saucers is saucers are less than cups. So we can read in two ways. 6 We have here the 6 cups and 5 saucer. So cups are greater than, yeah, more than. We use two term here, greater than and more than. So cups are greater than or more than saucer, and the saucer, because it is less, so saucer are less than cups. Now, how to write and how to read the number of saucers less than the number of cups. Okay. And the number of five less than. This is a sign of less than. What we call it? Less than. And the number of six. So number of five show the number of saucer, and the number of six show the number of cups. So five is less than. It is less than. यानी ये छोटा है इससे, किससे? सिक्स से. So we put here the sign less than. Okay. We also see it look like a crocodile mouth. So the close area we put here when the number is less, and the open area put the number is greater. So 5 is less than 6. We read like this: 5 is less than 6. And how to write it? We write 5. First, we write the number 5 because it is less. Then put the sign less than and then write the other number, number 7. Okay. We also read it like this: the number of cups. The number of cups greater than, because we have the number of cups are 6, and the number of saucer are 5. So 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater because 6 is a बड़ा नंबर है आपका ना, ग्रेटर है, तो ग्रेड 6 is greater than 5. So how to write it? 6 greater than 5. I hope you all have understood the symbol of less than and greater than. When the number is less, we put the less. If the first number is less, always remember that thing. If the first number is less, we put the less than sign. Okay. When the first number is greater, so we put the greater than sign. And how to identify okay, this one is a greater than sign, or so we put the like this, the close area of the crocodile mouth or this symbol we put is the less number of, and the open area we put on the greater number, yeah, bigger number. Now move to the other activity. It is also the other group of number. Now first we count it. How many balls in group A? Count it. Yes, yeah, there are 5 balls in group A. Okay, how many bears in group B? Yes, how many bears in group B? There are 4 bears. So when we match it, okay, when we match, yeah, when we give this ball to the each bear, so one is left because 4 bears are here. So each bear take or receive the one ball. So one is left. It means the group A, the greater number, the number of balls are greater. So, 5 is greater than 4 because the number of balls is more as compared to bear. Bear are 4, but the balls are 5. So we put here the sign like this. The 5 is more than 4. How to read it or how to write? 5. 5 show the number of balls. 5 is more than 4. So we say 5 is more mean greater. 5 is greater than 4. So how we uh, how we call it? Yeah, how we say that? We say that 5 is greater than 4 because 5 is a bigger number, greater number, more number as compared to 4. So we can write this as 5 greater than, put the greater than sign and put the number. So 5 greater than 4. How to write? We write in a mathematical form like this. In the wording form, say we write 5 is greater than 4. Let's move to the next example. Again, count it. How many jokers in group A? Count it. Yes. How many balls? One. Oh, sorry. How many jokers in group A? One, two, three. Three jokers in group A. And the other group in group B, how many dogs? We have two dogs. So jokers are more than dogs because the number of jokers are three and the dogs are two. So two is less as compared to jokers. So three is more than two. The number three show the number of quantity of the jokers. We counted one, two, three. These number three show the quantity of the jokers is more than two, and this two show the number of dogs. Okay, how many dogs? Two. One, two. So two dogs. So three is more than two, and we say three is greater than two because more means greater. So we say that 3 is greater than 2 or 3 jokers is greater than 2 dogs. We can write this as 3 greater than 2. This is a sign of greater than. So we can write this as 3 greater than 2. Now move to the next one. Again, count it. Yes. How many apples in group A? Count it. Yes, student. Count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six. You also reply in your chat box because I am seeing uh, your chat. So, how many apples? There are six apples in group A. And how many brinjals in group B? Count it. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. There are eight brinjals. So, apples are more or less? Yes, apples are 6 and brinjals are 8. So apples is less than brinjal. So how to read and write? Okay, we use the term fever. Fever means less. Okay, so 6 is fewer than 8. So we can say that 6 is lesser or less than 8 because 6 is less. The number of apple, the quantity of the apple is 6. So it is less than brinjal. So we can say 6 is lesser than 6. And we can write this as 6 less than 8. In mathematical, we write like this 6 and then put the sign of less than. We see here the fewer number or lesser number. So we close the crocodile mouth here. And then in the greater number, we open the crocodile mouth. So we can say 6 is lesser than 8 and we can write how to write 6 less than 8. Now again count here. It is also, yes, how many cards in group A? Count it. One, two, three. There are three cards in group A and how many cups? There are four caps. Okay. So cards are less than or fewer than cap. So 3 is fewer than 4 and we say that 3 is lesser than 4. And how to write it? We write 3 less than 4. I hope you all have understood where we put the sign less than, greater than, or equal to. Now, move to the, look at this on the screen. Fill in the missing word. You can reply in your chat box and then tell me which sign we put here. Okay? Yeah, which sign? Sign is given here, but tell me what we call it. It is equal to sign, less than sign, or greater than sign. So 18, yes, 18. What we call it? It is a less than or greater than. I told you if the number is bigger or greater. So which sign will become? Which sign will become? Yes, greater than. Ishal, Irha, Shanze, all of you are all right. So 18 is greater than 17. 18 is greater than 17. What is the spelling of greater? Greater. Greater. What is the spelling of greater? Yes, G. Always remember the spelling of greater. 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 So we write here because the number is greater or big. So we write here the greater than. So 18 is greater than 17. Now move to the next one. Yes. Observe. What is this? 2. Then put the sign and 19. So what we call this sign? 2. We see, observe here. 2 is less or greater? Yes. 2 is less number. Fatma, Minha, Manal. Yes. Give the quick answer. 2 is less than 19 because the 2 is smallest number as compared to 19. Yeah, number of quantity is less as compared to 19. So 2 is less than 19. So what is the spelling of less? Less, less. Okay. Now come to the next one. C. 14 and 15. So first we see it is a more or less as compared to 15. Yes, it is a more or less. Yes, it is less. So we write here the less than sign. 14 is less than 15. 14 is less than 15. Okay, now, and the other one, 16. 16 is less or more number of the 15. 16 is a, yes, it is a greater. So 16 is greater than 15. 16 is greater than 15. So we write here the spelling greater. So this sign is called. I hope you all have understood when the number is bigger or greater or more. So we put this sign. The crocodile mouth is open over there. Okay. Always remember where we open the crocodile mouth when the number is bigger or greater, and the where we put the sign of sign of closing area of the where the number is small. So 6 is greater than 15. Now next one. Next number is 10 and 9. So 9 is greater than, very nice. 9 is greater than 9. Oh, sorry, 10 is greater than 9 because 9 is less than. 9 is less than 10, but 10 is greater than 9. Okay, last one, 7. Yes, 7 is a small number or less number. Yes, 7 is less than 18. 7 is less than 18. So take a screenshot of this slide because you do this work in your copy. Take a screenshot of this slide. Hurry up, class. You do this, fill the missing word in your copy. Okay, move to the next one activity. Fill in the box with the less than or greater than sign. We don't put here the sign, here we put the sign. So again, also take a screenshot of this slide. Yes, 15. Then yes, we see here the 15 is greater number. So we put the sign greater here. So 15 greater than 13. 15 is greater than 13. Now next one, 12. 12 is a smaller number as compared. 0 is less than 5. Okay, next one. See, this is the correct sign. Yes, tell me, this is the correct sign. Yes, 20 is 20 is yes, 20 is greater than yes, Ishal Zamir. Yes, 20 is greater than 10. Okay, next one. 15. 15 is less or greater than. Now see the sign. Yes, is it right? 15 is greater than 6. Yes, it is right. Manal Farooq is saying okay. Ramla is also saying me. Now, remaining three you can fill yourself. So take a screenshot of this slide. Also, hurry up class. Take a screenshot of this slide. ठीक है, इसका आपने स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है. ये दोनों ब्लैंक्स आपने कॉपीज में करनी होंगी और ये बाकी थ्री जो है आपने सेपरेटली उसे फिल करना होगा. क्लियर है? लाइक दिस. You do like this, complete in your copy. Now, write the correct number in each box by matching. Here we match object with the other object and then put the sign. Yes. How many balls are here? One, two, three. There are three balls. So we write here the number three, and three is yes. How many balls are here? Four. So three. These are three and these are four. So three is yes. We write here 3 is 1 less than 4. You do like this. 3, 3, we write the number, this number count it, how many balls, then write here 3 is how many more? Because we were after matching, we left 1. So we write here the 1. So 3 is 1 less than 4. Here we write the total number of balls. So 3 is 1. How many less or how many more? So 3 is 1 less than. Means 1 is left here. So 1. So 3 is 1 less than 4. And the next one, we after matching it, we see here the 2. 2, these are 2. 2 is 1 less than 3. This 3 show the line and this 2 is show the B. So 2 is 1 less than 3. Okay. Count it. How many? Yes. 4 is 1 less than 5. So 4. These are the 4. We write here the 4. 4 is 1 because 1 is left. So 1 less than 5. 5. Okay. Here we see opposite of the how many pencils are here? We see here the 5 pencils. The 5 is 1 more than these 4. So 5 is 1. How many more? 1 more. We see here the 1 is left. So 5 is 1 more than 4. Okay, next one. How many stars? 4. So we write here 4 is how many left? 2 pencil are left. So 4 is 2 less than 6. Total number of pencils are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 is 2 less than 6 and 6 in how many star higher? 6. So 6 is 1 more than 5 because here. Now move to the 6 because 1 is left, 1 star is left. After matching each flower, flowers are 5, but the stars are 6. So one is left. So 6 is one more than, यानी एक ज्यादा है. 6 star is one more, यानी एक ज्यादा है. किससे? 5 flowers से. Okay, I hope you all have understood this page because you do this work in your book. Now come to the home task. Do page number 17 to 19 in your textbook. Okay, do page number 17 to 19 in your textbook. I hope you all have understood. Now, thank you, Allah Hafiz, and have a nice day.